Hello, welcome to day 30 of 30 days React challenge. So yeah, it's our last day. So do let me know your thoughts. Personally, I haven't liked this entire challenge, but yeah, I had started it, so I had to finish it. That's the only thing. Logic. Use theme. Okay. Sorry. Write a custom hook called use theme that holds the current value of the theme, which can be either light or dark. The hook should be able to store and manage this. Okay. Instructions. Use the strings light and dark to track the current theme. The default theme should be light. You do not need to edit the app component. Test should be scoring only use theme. Okay, so we have to basically create a custom hook, and we have this theme and toggle theme as a return. So what we will do is, they are not taking any default value. And what is the starting value that they have asked for? Default theme should be light. So what we can do is const we'll treat it like any use state. Okay, theme and set theme, we use that use state, and the default value they have mentioned is light. Okay, now if we have to update this using any other function which we can call, okay, what we will have to do, we'll have to first create a function, right, so that we can call this. For example, in earlier cases we were using handle change, so whenever handle change used to get triggered, we were able to use use state. Something should be getting triggered, right? So in here we'll create an arrow function. Okay, and in this we'll use this set theme. We'll use it as an updater function to make it very clear. Previous theme is equals to return previous theme equals to light. Sorry, too many equals to. If it is light, we have to return dark, and if it is dark, which will make this condition false, which will make this condition run, we will have to return light. I think we can simplify this directly. Okay, let's keep it like this. So basically we have to pass theme and toggle theme. So what should happen is, this theme will get used here, this toggle theme will get used here. The value of this theme is light, therefore this theme will also be light. The value for this toggle theme, whenever we will call this function, this will get triggered, which in turn trigger the set theme, which will change the value for this theme value. So let's try it out. Why is it not working? Why is it not showing any button? Use state is not defined. Okay, makes sense. Import from use state from React, or R should be small. Toggle. The transition is smooth. This transition is really smooth, really nice. Okay, so that's it actually. They have taught us to use toggle theme, use a custom hook, but it's not the best use case, but for learning purposes it's fine, I think. So let's run these tests. It should work if we haven't made any naming mistakes. And by the way, from this you cannot understand how use state has been implemented. It just gives you an idea, not in detail. Okay, so this is what. Let's see how can we access the certificates and all. By the way, do let me know in your comments how was it. My personal experience is that we have learned basics of React, like how components work. Then we got the use state, use effect, updater function of use state, the custom hook, fetching of API, fetching of data via fetch API. I think these things we have used but they could have done a lot more in these 30 days. So I will create my own course or a crash course or something which can teach these things. It was not good, but let's download it anyways. Awarded to user ID. Great. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.